Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to test the radio. The radio is Xiegu G90. This is a new version of the radio, and currently I'm at the lake, a little bit relaxing and trying to catch the fish. Let's use the antenna. This dipole for 20 meters. One part of the line is around 5 meters. The second line made of the coax RG223, and then in the end we have a coil 9 turns on the piece of tube, diameter around 110 millimeters. I'm going to use this Xiegu G90. Let's open the box. Radio itself, a pretty good radio. The microphone, and I soldered the connector for the radio. I'm going to disconnect this 2 meters band radio, Alinco DR135, and use this wire. Additional stuff. I don't need this stuff right now. I need the microphone only and this cable. Let's test the antenna and connect to the radio. Finally, I got these parameters for the antenna. I'm going to use the auto tuner. Let's connect the radio and test. Let's turn on the radio.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much, Pedro. And QRZ Parks on the air. Echo Mexico, Ricardo, you are 5 and 9 and Delta Echo 0515.
Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey.
Radio 3?
Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey.
Okay, Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey, you are 5 and 7, Roger.
Roger, your signal 5959. My name is Oleg. I'm from Voronezh, nearby lake, using the portable radio Xiegu G90 and 20 watts, using the dipole for 20 meters.
Incredibly good signal, Alexander. Thank you so much for your portable activities. Спасибо, за мой друг, и желаю вам хорошо.
Thank you so much. 73.
73, bye-bye, and QRZ Parks on the air. India Zulu number 3, Alpha Oscar, Yankee Juliet, Holland.
Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey. Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey.
Sorry, it's very low. Radio 3, is correct?
Yes, Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey.
Radio 3 Kilowatt Delta Whiskey.
Yes, you're right. Your signal 59. This is Oleg from Voronezh City.
Okay, sorry, but your signal report is very low. Very strong QSP this afternoon, and sometimes it's very difficult to listen you. Radio number 3 Kilowatt Delta Whiskey from Italy, Zulu number 3 Alpha Oscar Yankee.
Yeah, your signal pretty good, around 59 plus, and this is Oleg from western part of Russia, Voronezh City. 20 watts in the field. Currently working from my car. Yes, currently I'm from Voronezh city, 20 watts from the field, using the small antenna on the tree.
Voronezh, your city, and using 20 watts.
Yes, you're right. 20 watts, Voronezh city, in the field. Currently a nearby lake, in the car, and a small antenna on the tree.
Okay, radio number 3 kilowatts Delta Whiskey. Sorry, but the propagation is very no good in this moment. Very, very difficult to listen you, my friend. Many thanks for call. Good luck, good year, and 7351 to you and your family. Many thanks for call. My name is Andy Alpha, November Delta Yankee, and the QTH is the province of Verona, North-Est Italy, Okay, many thanks. Ciao, grazie. Radio number 3, kilowatt Delta Whiskey, India Zulu number 3, America, Oscar Yankee. Many thanks. Ciao, grazie.
Thank you so much, 73, Andy, 73.
Roger. My name is Daniel. Thank you very much. 5 plus 10 dB, very strong signal. I use Yagi antenna, Oscar Bravo D95. You know that antenna, OBD 59. Thank you very much for QSO. I hope you use Yagi because signal is very, very strong. QSL Daniel, thank you very much, my friend. Very nice working condition you have over there. Well, my working condition is Flix Radio 8600 series, and my antenna is a cubical quad antenna, 2 elements, 5 bands from Big Signal Company, and I'm running about 400 whiskey at the moment, QSL. QSL, oh, it's very, very nice radio. We have here in Bosnia one club which have that radio, and for Oscar amplifier, it's a very, very good radio for remote. Very, very nice station. Yeah, QSL. Thank you very much, dear Daniel. Nice to have you at the talk, and I hope to catch you up soon in another band. 7-3 for you and your family. Matt Salama from Muscat. Enjoy your DX. Echo 75, Yankee Zulu Alpha 41 Romeo X-ray 73. Roger. Thank you very much. Nice to see you again. 73 and 44. All the best. Thank you very much. 73. Bye-bye.
Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey.
Radio 3 Charlie Delta Whiskey QSL.
Radio 3 Kilo Delta Whiskey.
Kilowatt Delta Whiskey QSL.
QSL. My name is Oleg from Voronezh, from Russia.
Roger. Thank you very much. My name is Daniel from Bosnia and Herzegovina, north of the Bosnia and Herzegovina Republika Srpska. Thank you very much for QSO. You are 5 and 9.
Yes, your signal 592 plus 10 dB, sometimes 73.